Hi, welcome. In today's video we are going to harvest our container grown potato. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and let's dive right in. So this is our grown potato. You see the leaves is all dried out, so now is the time to harvest it. And you can see we also have our collard greens, seed that I brought from Ghana, but the weather has changed now, so it isn't growing as it's supposed to. It's not green anymore, and it didn't make any seed either because I haven't grown them very early. It was very late, July, almost June ending to July, so it didn't produce any seeds. But that is okay. I've used a lot of this for soup and stew, so that it's amazing. And today we are just going to harvest our potato. And what I'm going to do is I am going to remove this off here. And then now we have this. What I'm going to do is I am going to put some kind of plastic bag. And you can see that we have our potato showing right here. Look at that. So that is amazing. So it has grown. See that there? That is our grown potato. Has really grown well. And then look at that. That's how you can pull it out. So it wasn't that big, but at least something has grown. So that is our little tiny potato. So I am going to turn this, I'm going to turn this sideways and then we'll get everything out. So our first container grown potato looks amazing. So I'm going to turn this on this here. On here, and then I am going to pull this out. Look at that. Now we can see. Now we can see our potatoes. Look at that. It wasn't too much. I mean, it's not too bad. Quite a lot of potatoes in there. That's amazing. So now we are just going to pull these out. Oh my, look at that. That is big potato. That's amazing. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. These are not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. And then those little ones. And I think that's all we have. And then this was the grown one, which we have grown. So it produces about this little one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 potatoes. 3 of them is a little bit sizable, and then the rest were small. So that is amazing. So that's it. That's all we got from there. Oh, that is amazing. And now we'll just take these out of here. This is amazing. We put in 1 potato and then we got about, so we have 4 and 4. We have 8 potatoes out of 1 potato. This is not bad at all. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. So all I have to do is I'm going to dump this. And then we are going to save this for next year. Hello friends, so you can see we have just harvested our container grown potato. We've grown one potato and then we've got 8 out. That is amazing. This looks great. This can make a one meal mashed potato or fried potato or potato powder we can make out of this. So this is amazing. Amazing. Hello friends, well, we have just harvested a container grown potato and we have it. One potato has produced 8 potatoes, which is one full meal. So this is amazing. And I will say the weather has changed here, so my summer gardening is over. And I will put out all the videos that I made out there for you to see how I started growing these potatoes from the beginning to the end. And also we will start a new grown next year. I have really not grown this early. I did it in almost the end of July, so that was very late. I didn't even know it was going to do well, but it has really produced something. And so I'm so happy to have shared this journey, this container gardening with you, this summer gardening with you. Where I live, it snows, so I can only do gardening in the summer. Now we are in fall, so the weather has changed. It's getting colder now, so I will see you next year when I started growing other things and we can all enjoy. I am very grateful to have you on this little summer gardening tour with me, and it has been a pleasure. I enjoy gardening. It amazes me how you grow one seed and it produces a lot. So thank you for watching. We love to have you on our channel, and it's a lot of fun because we will incorporate it with other things like thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's fun. It's going to be a lot of fun to have on this channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much for your questions. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below for us and we will answer you back. If you have any ideas in gardening, please leave it in the comment section below for us. So we want to hear more advice, more ways of how you guys do your container gardening. And thank you very much for watching our channel. And we will see you on our next video. Take care. Bye. We worship you.